Ever wondered how to make the perfect Christmas pudding? Imagine a traditional British holiday, where the star dessert, Christmas pudding, takes center stage. This sweet treat has a rich history, deeply rooted in holiday celebrations. Stay tuned to learn the secret to a perfect Christmas pudding. To start off, gather your ingredients. You'll need an array of dried fruits, a pinch of spices, some flour and sugar, breadcrumbs, suet, a couple of eggs, and a splash of brandy. Got everything? Great! Now on to the next step. The first step in making your perfect Christmas pudding is preparation. To start, you'll want to soak your dried fruits in brandy overnight. This not only plumps up the fruit, but also infuses it with a rich, flavorful depth that will shine through in your finished pudding. Next, you'll mix your dry ingredients. This includes spices like nutmeg and cinnamon, flour, and sugar. Once your dry ingredients are thoroughly combined, it's time to stir in your brandy-soaked fruits. Don't be shy, mix everything together until it's well incorporated. The magic of Christmas pudding is in the melding of these flavors. Once combined, it's time to cook your pudding. Now comes the exciting part, cooking your Christmas pudding. First, you'll need to steam it. This is a slow process, taking several hours, but it's worth every minute. The steam works its magic, melding the flavors together and giving the pudding its distinctive taste. But we're not done yet. The pièce de résistance is flaming the pudding. This not only gives it a spectacular look, but also imparts a unique caramelized flavor. And there you have it, your perfect Christmas pudding is ready to be served. Impress your family and friends this holiday season with a perfect Christmas pudding. Remember, carefully follow each step to achieve pudding perfection. It's all about the details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Happy cooking!